Alright, hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, whatever time it may be for you. It's the evening time for me now. I checked my mail late today, and guess what I found? Whoa. Grumpy got a letter
It's a pure delight
from Mr. Michael S. Can't wait. I haven't opened it. I did cut the top of the envelope just to make all this easier. Taped everything up. Yeah.
Michael S, you're the best.
Now here we go. Let's see.
Heck yeah, some stickers too. Thank you so much. Woohoo. A little surprise in the mailbox today. Turn my grumpy skies into a sunny display. Peeling back the envelope like it's a gift. Inside are treasures that gave my mood a lift.
Hey, Michael, thank you. That letter means a lot to me. I do work hard on that stuff. Silly little videos, but I do put a lot of time when I go to edit and make that music. I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. Hey, like Bear says, you're not my super fan, but you're like for sure number one fan. You always comment on my videos. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Boom. There it is. Mr. Michael sent 2 of those, which is awesome because I'm going to put one inside my box right here, and I'm going to put one out there by my leg. And then let's see. Yes, sir. Another one on the welding. Is this you welding? Did somebody take a picture of you doing that? That's pretty cool if it is. Looks like it is. It looks like your helmet. I'm gonna say it looks like your helmet there. That's pretty cool. Let me know if that's you in that picture there too. But thank you so much. I'm fixing to stick them up on the wall. Let me get everything situated here. I'll be right back. Alright. I put the first sticker, Michael, I put out here on my lathe board. This is the backboard of my lathe where I do my turning. I don't got my good lighting up here for all that. I got your sticker there. Thank you so much. Bear and the Boss Lady sticker up there. That's the first Josh. You got Electric Whittler. That's the second Josh. He got Perry. He got Wowie. That's Mr. Larry Dibbs. 2 brothers, 1 vision. Wowie's Workshop. Jordy Johnson, Carbon Fusion. Delan's Handmade Woodworking. Ray and Sandy's. I got that from Professor Rusty, and this one from Professor Rusty sticker pack. That one came from Professor Rusty sticker pack. I stuck it on my lathe. That's one of my stickers I wasn't too happy with, so I don't distribute that one, but it's on my lathe.
Paper crinkled in my ear, hands smiling wide like it's all been planned. A sticker here,
I put that on my lathe. That's perfect fit. It's like the height up and down is perfect.
Can make the day.
Zoom back some. That's my lathe box. My shop's a mess, but that's where I do my lathing. And then of course that's my part of my dust collection system. Goes down to a shop vac through a dust deputy in the corner, shop vac under the table. Alright, now we're gonna jump back down here in the box. It's a mess in the box. Always is. But move my mouth back out of the way. I can't get my mouth back out of the way. Alright, let's shrink down here. Alright, I got Michael S's sticker in here in the box. This is where I do my carving, and then I tie my sticks. I do power carve. I just do a lot more stick making or clip making. But I'd say 95% of my videos are going to be me making my roach clips, but I do power carve in here. I don't have as good as hand control with my rotary tools anymore. so I do more lathe work. Trying to get better at the rotary tools again. But anyway, let's get back at it. Michael Sticker, thank you so much. Here's Bear and the Boss Lady, Josh, thank you so much. And that's our third Josh that I got a sticker from, Creation Dust 777. That's Josh and Casey's channel. That's pretty cool. Let's jump back over here. Johnny's Lathe. Turn this, there we go. Johnny's Lathe Crafts, he's a pretty good guy. This stick right here, this is I can't remember, Bokate, I believe it was. That's a piece of wood he sent me, and I made a roach clip out of it. I love it, it's awesome. Fall over, go back over here. Robert C. Peters. Peter Pipes, he makes awesome pipes. That's one of my medication pipes he made for me. It's got a Mr. Grumpy on there and a little glass bowl that I can clean. It is awesome. I keep it hanging right here when I don't use it. I love it. Jump back over here again. Mr. Ray and Sandy Woodworking, love it. Again, here's Mr. Larry Dibbs, Wowie's Workshop sticker from Two Brothers, One Vision. Right here, all three of these will be a lighthouse. And then this is blown that Wowie made for me. Put it onto a chain and sent for me. Two Brothers, One Vision. And you got Dad Carves. I got that. That's an awesome channel. Check him out. I got this one from Rusty's again. And then we get back up over on this side. Sean Brooks, go check him out. Awesome channel. Perry, Carbon Wizard, awesome channel. Jordy Johnson, awesome channel. Electric Whittler, DeLand's Handmade Woodworking. Under the Bark, that's Sophie, go check her channel out, awesome channel. Rhinestone Suzanne, go check her channel out, awesome channel. Another Carbon Fusion sticker, that's my roots, that's where I started. And then Mr. Allen at Old Path Woodworking, check him out, and he's got a good channel as well. But thank you again, Michael. I appreciate the sticker, and that's just so cool, and greatly appreciate that letter. Y'all have an awesome day. Go check everybody's channel out up there, y'all. Awesome channels. Thank you.